The challenges we want to respond to are those of the dismounted soldier today in the context of the digitalized battlefield. And so there are the three following ones. You have the real-time tactical information sharing, you have the how to increase the survivability of the soldier, and the third one will be how to improve the tactical superiority and so the efficiency. In fact, on the one hand, you will have through the Thales Soldier Digital Factory, the aim of this approach is to bring consistency and adequacy among the different capacities of Thales products. And so, for example, in this demonstration, we will see the rapid target acquisition, which will combine the weapon sight of the soldier and his head-mounted display. And so this combination allows the soldier to have more, to increase mobility, to increase situational awareness, but also to detect threats by night or by day. And it also increase the, it also allows a faster target acquisition. On the other hand, we use a breakthrough approach through this demonstration. It is called the DCIDE Lab, the Dismounted Combat Innovation Design Laboratory. So here we will send an information from the SOFI Ultima. It's the localization of the enemy. We'll send it to the squad soldier, and it will be displayed on his head-mounted display through augmented reality. So in fact, we start with concepts. We have a lot of concepts through our approach, for example, the head-mounted display or the rapid target acquisition. And we really need the user to add operational scenarios, but also operational uses and constraints in order to build operational products and solutions in the future.